Hey guys, so we just bought this little 2006 Toyota Yaris. Paid £250 for it. It's a mess. It really is a mess. There's parts all over it. It's disgusting inside. As you can see, it's absolutely disgusting. Had an engine fitted to it at some point. Oily off the old engine. Wheels disgusting. As you can see, I don't know if that's showing up on camera very well. It's just needs a good clean. It's horrible. Actually going to see if we can clean some money into this car. I think it could be a nice little car. See how we get on with cleaning it. We'll see what we can make out of it.
15 minutes later.
That's all of this interior. Wow. That's pretty. Oh. It's disgusting even look at all. But that's why it was cheap. Absolutely disgusting. One of the dirtiest cars I've ever cleaned out, to be honest. I think we'll take the seats out. A few bolts there to get the seats out, and we'll give it a good clean, I think. Yeah, it's just disgusting. Okay, so we get on with that.
A few moments later.
Right, okay. Seats out. It's disgusting. Literally took 5 minutes maybe to take the seats out. Got a strip bolt on this seat so we can't get it out. Head's a bit knackered on that bolt, so we leave that one in. We'll clean around it, but just look how dirty it is. Absolutely disgusting. Come on. So well with a good hoover, clean and scrub. Let's go. As you can see, these seats are badly stained. Disgusting. But use this. Great little tools. This. One of works. Hard doing it one-handed. Some soapy water. Soapy water. And then we just little drill kit. Very cheap on Amazon. Maybe like £10–12, 3 drilled heads in it, but great for doing this sort of work. I'll come back in a minute when we finish this seat. I'll show you the results. There we go. That's not well it's coming out on camera, but 90% of the seat clean. Most of the seat, there's still a couple of very light marks. I have to go over and give her a little clean once it's back in the car. It's looking better. Let's have a look inside the car now. Over two. It's a million times the new gear knob. Dashboard needs a good scrub. We're getting there. It's almost something you'd sit in again. So There we go, finally finished. It's taken about 5 hours all together. Fully clean it. A bit more than I wanted to do really, but I mean, it looks good in the back now. See? Looks like a different car now really. Definitely clean some money back into this thing. Dashboard's all nice and clean. Still need to get a bit of gearing up for us. Alright. Still only a cheap car, so alright. Take it for MOT. Get it sold. And a little dent there in the door. Can't do anything about that really. And then ripping the seat. But again, not really much we can do about that. Terrible repair, but we're just trying to tidy up the cottons. Okay.